if you're new here. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. To my 20 subscribers, you make me so happy. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I love you guys so much. So today I'm going to be trying mini twists on my natural hair for the very first time. That's why I always say my videos are always very beginner friendly, because I am trying these styles on my hair for the very first time. So you're gonna see my struggles, you will see where I go wrong, and then we will perfect the skills along the road. I had previously detangled my hair, deep conditioned it, so it's not really wet. These are the products that I'll be using to twist my hair, and it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to use these specific brands. You can use any brand that you like. Let's get into the video, guys. So I decided to part the hair with my fingers so that I can have much more control on the areas that I cannot see, like at the back of my head. I start by applying the wax on the roots. Wax is going to help me grip the roots much firmer. And then the leave-in conditioner. And then I will apply the Eco Styling Gel to seal the roots of my hair so that it can help my hair not to unravel. Another thing that you'd like to consider when doing this style, do not do the twists too tight. Only tighten the roots, and the other part of the hair as you twist it should be loosely done, because your hair will bounce back anyway. So just do it loosely. When it's drying up, it's going to tighten itself, and then it will look like a spring. As you can see, I'm going a bit faster because I'm just loosely twisting it. I'm not tightening it as I twist.
hours later.
It took me 4 hours to complete my entire head. It was actually so worth it. I loved the results. After 2 days, this is how my hair looked. Right here it's completely dry. So I'm going to show you guys how I revive my curls. Like any style that I do on my hair, this is how I make my curls pop up again. I was trying to do this on this mini twist and it actually worked. So I just sprayed a little bit of water on the twists. I was just trying to see if they would stop being a little bit too stiff because of the curling cream that I used, and also they were not shiny, so I wanted to make them a little bit more shiny. I used coconut oil to moisturize my hair. That's always what I use, so you can use any moisturizing oils that work on your hair. And look how those twists are vibrant. They looked so nice. I'll definitely be doing it again. This is not the last time I'll be doing this style. Let's get a little bit awkward and try to style my hair. Look at that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Until next time guys, bye.